Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is Sunday. I just got back home from Bistrica. I took a weekend trip with my boyfriend. We rented a very beautiful apartment in the city center, and yeah, I just got back home and I want to start packaging up Patreon rewards. So this month my patrons, my $15 patrons, will receive this tote bag, which will be available in my shop very soon, and also a set of stickers. So these two stickers are Peachtober illustrations, and that's the package for my $15 tier. So besides that, I want to get cracking on the 100 heads challenge. You will probably be seeing me do a portrait in this video. I will also include some footage from my trip. I'm not sure if anyone is interested, but it was a really lovely trip, and I actually got to meet one of my patrons and lifelong supporters. So thank you, Diana, for showing us a really nice time in Bistrica. And yeah, I really enjoyed the food and walking around the city. It was really nice, and a change of scenery was absolutely needed. So yeah, this will be the studio vlog for this month. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more, just keep watching the video. Hit that like button and check out my Patreon if you are curious how you can get any type of rewards like these stickers and tote bag. And yeah, I'll stop talking right now. I'm very hyped because I just had a coffee. So yeah, just keep watching. Bye.